Hi guys, today we'll be doing helicopter, not a flying helicopter, but just a easy helicopter. So let's start up with it. So first, you'll need a pencil and a book. So now start drawing whatever design you want of the helicopter. Whatever design, I'm just doing it for my building blocks helicopter carrier. So there's your design. Even you can do that. Now the landing gears. Wow, they look especially special. Okay, let's start cutting. So after you do this, you need to do this. You need to start cutting so that tear it up, rip it. Sorry about that, guys. There's no more of that. Okay, so rip it off like this. Now cut this whole part slowly. Majesty study. So where's my helicopter? Yeah, it's here. So slowly cut this. Maybe instead that. So slowly cut this. Cut this slowly but slowly, like this. Tear out the extra part so that you cannot it's a nice channel. So guys, I want you to subscribe to my channel, and I want you to like and comment because I never heard of my videos comments. I never saw you guys making video comments. So I'm really excited about that. So slowly do this. This, and like this. I hope you can see, guys. To this camera, it's near the camera literally. So cut off the whole part. Cut off the extra parts. It is. You had the rare successfully. Now cut off the half part, then I'll not be showing it. Okay, cut off the half part. Cut off the extra parts. That's what I want to say to you guys, but it's really extremely nice. So cut off that. So as I said, greetings whoever is new to my channel. So it's easy tutorials of ART, my channel. So there's your little sneaky helicopter. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the helicopter, comment down below so you can make more helicopters. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye, guys.